Yeah. Now, in previous class, we learned about equation of tangent at a point P x1 y1 to the circle, small circle, big circle, and at a point, parametric point, small circle, big circle. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి అంటే if a line is tangent, this is the circle, and this is the tangent. They are not given point. They are not given point. At P x1 equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent, we know already. But here the point is not given, line is given, then we have to say that line is a tangent or not. How we simple, if the line is L equal to 0 sum equation, then find the perpendicular distance from center to this line. Perpendicular distance from center to this line, that is D. And from C to this point of contact to take some P. This P is not given. Remember, we are taking P is a point of contact where circle and the line is touching. This P is not given. I am finding from center to this line perpendicular distance. We know formula. What is the formula? Perpendicular distance. D is equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus e by root over a square plus b square. By using that formula we have in statement, we can find perpendicular distance. And from C to P is already defaultly radius, that is radius of the given circle equal to 0. C to P is radius and also C to P perpendicular distance. So these two should be equal. We can find the why, because the line will be given and center will be given. Why? Because circle given, center also given. We can find from center to this line perpendicular distance by formula. దాంతో ఫస్ట్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫైండ్ చేశాక రేడియస్ కూడా ఫైండ్ చేసాం, ఎందుకంటే సర్కిల్ ఈస్ గివెన్, వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ రేడియస్ బై యూజింగ్ ఫార్ములా రూట్ ఓవర్ బి స్క్వేర్. Then compare, if you get both same, then clearly we can say that the line, given line is a tangent. Why? Because this is touching, right? A tangent to the circle. And how you will find this point of contact? See, circle ni nenu koncham ila diptuna, then you will get like this. You will get like this, the circle. This is the center. Okay, this is the line. And from center to this is perpendicular distance, nothing but r. And by equating these two, we can say the line is in the circle is nothing but a tangent. How you will find this point of contact P? This P is nothing but from center, P is foot of perpendicular on the line. From first year, this is foot of perpendicular from center on the line. We have already put up perpendicular formula. We know that also h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus e by a, where that h comma k is the point of contact and nothing but foot of perpendicular from center. We know by the given circle and line, that also will be given. We can find that point of contact. Now for different circles, different lines, depending on different lines, we can write different point of contact. This is foot, but directly also we have some formulas for some circles, different circles. Now I am giving that. You have already seen first one. If y equal to mx plus c, if y equal to mx plus c, here also some conditions, they are very important. If y equal to mx plus c touches the circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to r. If a line touches the circle, then that is clearly tangent. Then c square is equal to r square into 1 plus, right, 1 plus m square. See here, if a line touches, I told you what, r equal to d. I told you if a line touches the circle, what is that? R equal to d. But how r square into 1 plus m square we got? Simple. See here, c square is equal to r square into 1 plus m square. The proof, how we got the proof, I will give you. This is the line I am writing as mx minus y plus c is equal to 0 is the line, where a value is m and b value is minus 1 and c value is c. And r is the radius. Why? Because here we have x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is radius. Radius is r. We have to equate radius and perpendicular distance. R is r only radius. Perpendicular distance we have to find. From where we have to find perpendicular distance? From center to the given line. This is the line now. From center to equation 1. But what is center from the circle? 0, 0. From center 0 to equation 1 means tangent. Distance means nothing but perpendicular distance. ఒక పాయింట్ నుంచి ఒక లైన్ కి డిస్టెన్స్ అంటే ఎప్పుడైనా పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. From that point 0, 0 to this line distance g is equal to, we have formula, from origin to a line distance a is mod c by root over 1 plus a square plus b square. From a point to the line distance mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. So here from origin kabatti mod c by c only root over a square plus b square, a square plus b square, that is 1 plus m square. Minus 1 square is 1, m square is m square. This is d, but r equal to d is the condition, so equal to r. This is actual condition, squaring on both sides. Then you will get c square is equal to r square, taking that side 1 plus m square. Then c is equal to plus or minus r root over 1 plus m square. This is very useful for us. Why, sir? Why useful, sir? See here. మనం ఏమనుకుంటున్నామంటే, if a line touches the circle, then r equal to d condition. Condition is different. Equation is different. Which equation is touching? This equation. This is the equation form before touching the circle. ఇది tangent కాదు, ఇదొక లైన్. If this is, ఒకవేళ అది tangent అయితే, if that is a tangent, then the equation will be different. లేదంటే ఇదే tangent అయితే మళ్ళీ దీనికి ఈక్వేషన్ తెలుసుకోండి. You don't need to do like this total, na. If this touches this, condition is r equal to d. Condition is r equal to d. R c square equal to r square into 1 plus m square. R c equal to plus or minus r root over 1 plus m square. Then the equation form will be changed, I am saying, na. How it will be changed? I am writing that. Then the equation is y equal to mx plus c. But what is c? Plus or minus r root over 1 plus m square. నువ్వు సర్కిల్ ఎంత బాగా అర్థం చేసుకోగలిగితే, ఎంత బాగా నేర్చుకుంటే రిమైనింగ్ పారాబోలా ఎలిప్స్ హైపర్బోలా అంత ఈజీగా వస్తాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ద లింక్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ this line touches this circle, then condition is r equal to d. Then the changed form, transformed equation is this. Now take this is equation number 1. దీన్నే ఇది కాబట్టి equation number 2. Now first one, second one, both are not tangents to the circle. Only second one is the tangent to the circle. Why? Because they are substituting in place of the value. The first one is only just line. If that is a tangent, that will be like this. By satisfying this condition, c is equal to r, c square is equal to r square into 1 plus m square. So please understand carefully. అర్థం చేసుకుంటే చాలా ఈజీగా మార్కులు తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు ఎంసెట్ లో. ఏ చాప్టర్ అయినా గుర్తుపెట్టుకో, అదే మనకు మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ గివెన్, యూ హావ్ టు రీడ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ 2 times you have to read. Then you can understand. After understanding the question, it will take more 30 seconds like that. Only seconds time to solve the question. So that's why understand the question here. Y equal to mx plus c is the line tangent. If that is a tangent, then the equation is y equal to mx plus or minus r root over 1 plus m square. See that you have already down the equation of the tangent to the circle with slope m is, where m is nothing but slope. Y equal to mx plus c is nothing but slope intercept form only na, slope is m. And now third one, lx plus my, ఇంతకుముందు తీసుకుంది y equal to mx plus c. Now general equation of straight line, lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is a tangent. Means if this line touches the circle, then that will be a tangent. Then the equation will be different. Then the point of contact also different. Then it's saying if the line touches the circle, here also taken small circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Then what is the condition? Therefore, n square is equal to r square into l square plus m square. Same that ఇది తీసుకొచ్చేసి mod c by mod n by root over l square plus m square is equal to radius. Squaring on both sides, you will get this condition. And the equation. And what is the equation? Equal to, sorry, n square kada. And the equation, it is the equation. So equation n square equal to r square into l square plus m square kada. Just write in place of n, lx plus my plus r minus r root over l square plus m square plus or minus l square plus m square is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. This is equation, this is condition. Condition veru, equation veru. క్వశ్చన్ లో కండిషన్ అడుగుతుందా, ఈక్వేషన్ అడుగుతుందా మనకు అర్థం కావాలి అంటే క్వశ్చన్ జాగ్రత్త చదవాలి, అంటే కాన్సెప్ట్ మంచిగా తెలుస్తుండాలి, అందుకే కాన్సెప్ట్ జాగ్రత్త వేరు. నెక్స్ట్, ఇఫ్ ఏ లైన్ దిస్ లైన్ ఓన్లీ lx plus my plus n equal to 0 or ax plus by plus c equal to 0 or 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, whatever it is, a general straight line. If a line touches the circle and the circle is different here, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If a line lx plus my plus n equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square, that is s equal to 0, then the condition and the equation, then the condition is therefore l square plus m square into g square plus f square minus c is equal to lg plus mf minus n whole square. lg f minus n whole square. This is the condition. And next one, the point of contact of the tangent line is put off perpendicular from the center of the circle. I already point of contact కావాలంటే center నుంచి put off perpendicular find చేయాలి. Here I forgot one thing. You have already, if a line tangent to the circle, this circle, then this is the condition and this is the equation. And what is the point of contact? P is equal to, also we have there, that is what, minus lr square by, right, minus lr square by n comma minus mr square by n, minus lr square by m comma minus mr square by n. This also we have, we will get in further concepts also, same point of contact. Okay, so I will again remind you there this one. So this is the point of contact. And for the circle x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to r square. Tangent with slope m is, what is that, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 plus or minus r root over 1 plus m square. If you observe, వెంటనే నీకు స్ట్రైక్ అయిపోవాలి. This is a circle. I gave you in previous one circle equation. What is that? If y equal to mx is the tangent to the circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square, then the equation y equal to mx plus or minus r root over 1 plus m square. This is the equation of the tangent to this circle if this line touches. Here also the circle is little bit different comparing to this. See, x square plus y square is equal to r square there. Here x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square is there. Here there is no center is 0 comma 0. There is no center. Center is 0 comma 0. Here the center is x1, y1. That's why in place of y minus y1, in place of x minus. Or you can write h comma k. Or you can write plus f plus g. That is center minus g comma minus f అయితే సెంటర్ h కామా k అయితే సెంటర్ x1 y1 అయింది కాబట్టి ఇలా రాసిన నువ్వు h కామా k పెట్టి కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ h కామా k మైనస్ g మైనస్ f x1 y1 ఇవన్నీ కూడా వాల్యూస్ వేరియబుల్స్ కావు కాబట్టి దీనికి దానికి వెంటనే డిఫరెన్స్ నీకు వెంటనే స్ట్రైక్ అయిపోవాలి మనకి సో దట్ మచ్ వీ షుడ్ బి పర్ఫెక్ట్ సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద టాంజెంట్ ఫర్ దిస్ సర్కిల్ విత్ స్లోప్ m and next నానా కొన్ని వాటర్ yeah next after that where is it yeah next one see for the circle let m1 m2 are the slopes of the tangents through a point x1 y1 to the circle then sum of the product of slopes and before that I want to tell you from external point p to the circle we can draw maximum two tangents minimum one tangent maximum two tangents minimum one tangent so then tangent this is also one tangent and let the slope of this tangent is m1 let the slope of this tangent will be m2 m1 m2 are the slopes of the tangent from a point p x1 y1 to the circle here mentioned circle also x square plus y square is equal x square plus y square is equal to a square. That one, right? To the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. In place of r, we have a. Then we can find plus m2 is equal to product of slopes. M1, M2 is equal to. Actually, this question also as long answer we have in circles. The simple y equal to mx plus or minus r root over 1 plus m square is there, na? Y is equal to, I am writing here. Y is equal to mx plus or minus r root over 1 plus m square. Here we have a. Just take this side and squaring on both sides and expansion, you will get a quadratic equation in terms of m. Then you can find sum of slopes and the product of slopes by using the formulas minus b by a and c by a. Just a second. Okay. So then you will get these two formulas. నీకు గుర్తుంటే ఓకే గుర్తు లేదంటే దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయి వెంటనే సాల్వ్ చేస్తే ఫార్ములాస్ వచ్చేస్తాయి ఓకే సమ్ ఆఫ్ స్లోప్స్ ఫార్ములాస్ 2x1 y1 by product of slopes formula y1 square minus a square by x1 square minus a square. This part very important for remaining parabola ellipse hyperbola ki kuda ఈ sum of slopes product of slopes అనే టాపిక్ ఇది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఓకే completed. Next find the equation of the circle with center and touching the line. Center and touching the line. One line is given, center is given. He is asking what is the equation of the circle. Here h comma k given, more radius we required. Radius is nothing but center to this line distance, perpendicular distance is nothing but what? D is equal to R only. Why? Because the line is tangent mentioned. So if a line tangent to the circle, then R equal to D. R is not given, but we can find the D, but D is equal to R. Why? Because line is touching the circle. So after finding R and h comma k center, then the formula is what? Circle equation formula. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square is the formula. That is the formula to find the circle equation. Yeah. Next, normal line. So here I will give you one example also. Normal line. Normal means what? If a line touches the circle at one point, then that is called what? Tangent. Then that is called what? Tangent. This is the point P. This is the tangent. And the line which is perpendicular to tangent and passing through the center is called what? Normal. It's called what? Normal. The line which is touching the circle at point P is tangent, and the line which is perpendicular to the tangent and passing through the same point, remember, that is called నార్మల్. నార్మల్ అనగానే గుర్తుకు రావాల్సింది ఏంటంటే 2 పాయింట్స్ గుర్తుకు రావాలి. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ ద డెఫినేషన్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు టాంజెంట్, బట్ ద వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ద సెంటర్, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. రిమెంబర్, పాసింగ్ త్రూ ద సెంటర్, అది మనకు గుర్తుకు రావాలి. అండ్ నార్మల్ టాంజెంట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్, యు నో. సపోజ్ Px1 y1 is any point on the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. Then the equation of tangent is, we know already, x1 plus y1 minus r square is equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Okay. Now I am asking what? Normal. What is the equation of the normal? It's the same point for the same circle. దీనికే నాకు నార్మల్ కావాలి, ఇదే పాయింట్ దగ్గర వస్తుంది నార్మల్. సో నార్మల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటే ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? పాసింగ్ త్రూ ద సెంటర్ అని చెప్పాను. One method is what? This normal is passing through P and C. So we have 2 points. If given 2 points, we have 2-point formula, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That is a formula. Or one more method we can use. What that is? For a given line, that already we have tangent. We can find perpendicular line if you have one more point which is passing through the normal. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a line tangent anukundam, and the normal will be bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Interchange aithe coefficients will be interchanged and signs also will be changed. Then you will get equation which is perpendicular. This is the perpendicular for first line, which is normal, we can say here. Now here perpendicular for perpendicular means what? Y coefficients will change. Y1 will come this side, x1 will go that side. Then you will get xy1 plus will be minus, and yx1 minus or plus some k is equal to 0 is nothing but what? Normal. But we should eliminate k na, we should find the k value. This normal is passing through where? 0, 0. Substitute here 0, 0, then k will be 0. Then the normal equation xy1 minus yx1 equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal. This is the equation of the tangent. Understand? So this is about tangent, normal, first point. In continuation, see. Where is that? Yeah. The equation of the normal to the circle. Just a second. Yes, the equation of the circle, the equation of the normal to the circle, the equation of the normal equation to the circle is equal to 0 means what? Standard form, x square plus y square. General form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fx plus c equal to 0. That is the equation of s equal to 0 notation. So the equation of normal to the circle s equal to 0, here given circle equation also. At the point P x1 y1, suppose the center is minus g comma minus f, and then this is s equal to 0. At the point we have to find the normal. That is the normal equation to s equal to 0 at P x1 y1. At P x1 y1 is please remember this. Otherwise, without using this formula also we can find normal. I told you. Tangent find చేయడం వచ్చు మనకి. దాని పర్పెండిక్యులర్ లైన్ ఫైండ్ చేసాం. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ లైన్ రాసుకున్నాం. ఆ సెంటర్ ఏంటో తెలుసు కదా, అందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం, నార్మల్ వచ్చేసింది. అది కొంచెం లెందీ ప్రాసెస్. సెకండ్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ కి ఫార్ములా గుర్తు పెట్టుకుంటే తొందరగా అయిపోతుంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద నార్మల్ టు దిస్? దట్ ఈస్ x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus z is equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal at a point p x1 y1 to the circle s equal to 0. At a point x1 y1 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. So different circles, different equations. At a parametric also we have to find the equation of the normal. The normal at any point on the circle passing through the center of the circle. That already I told you. The equation of normal to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square at p is x y1 minus yx1 equal to 0. That already I told you. And the equation of the normal at theta, I told you na. 3 ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తాయి మనకి. ఒకటి స్మాల్ సర్కిల్, ఒకటి బిగ్ సర్కిల్, ఇంకొకటి ఏమో పారామెట్రిక్ దగ్గర. సో ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద నార్మల్ ఎట్ p of t. Here not x1 y1 now. Tangent p of theta, normal, center. Now he is asking what? At p of theta, what is the equation of the normal to the circle? Normal to x square plus y square is equal to r square at p of theta is ఇంతకుముందు టాంజెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి రివర్స్ అంతే. టాంజెంట్ ఏంటి? ఎక్స్ కాస్ థీటా ప్లస్ వై సైన్ థీటా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆర్. నార్మల్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఎక్స్ సైన్ థీటా ఐ థింక్. యా, ఎక్స్ సైన్ థీటా మైనస్ వై కాస్ థీటా. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ ద టాంజెంట్. ఎక్స్ కాస్ థీటా ప్లస్ వై సైన్ థీటా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆర్ ఇస్ ద టాంజెంట్. But normal కావాలి కాబట్టి coefficients will be changed, right? X sin theta plus will be minus y cos theta plus k is equal to 0. How you will find k value? Just simple, passing through center na, plus k is equal to 0. Substitute here in place of x y 0 0, then you will get k is 0. Normal is x sin theta minus y cos theta is equal to 0 at where? Parametric point. At where? Parametric point. For what? For the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the equation for standard for normal. Yeah. So this is hello.
Hello.
Yes. So this is the equation of the normal at p of theta, parametric point. And next, there you have examples also. Amma chusava? Hello.
Hello.
Chusava?
Sir.
There you have 2 examples also.
Yes, sir.
వినబడుతుందా నేను మాట్లాడేది?
ఇప్పుడు స్టక్ అవుతుంది.
హలో, ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
హలో. yes sir.
వినిపిస్తుందా?
వినిపిస్తుంది.
దాంట్లో 20th ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడు. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 20.
ఓకే సార్.
See, 20th example is, if the line y minus x plus 3 is equal to 0, is a normal to the circle. What is the circle? X minus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 9. Then the point of contact is normal to the circle. Then the point of contact we have to find. Okay. Then the point is not given, and the point of contact we have to find. Point of contact to mean x equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y equal to y1 plus r sin theta. 1 minute. The given equation is what? X minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
We can write y equal to x minus 3. And then this is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. M is equal to 1. The tan theta is equal to 1. Then means tan 45 is equal to 1. Then theta
1.
is equal to 45. Keep aside. H is equal to 3, k is equal to 0. Comparing with x minus h whole square, y minus k is 0. Now, we have to find the point of contact. Let that point of contact x comma y. Therefore, x is equal to h plus r cos theta. Y is equal to k plus r sin theta. And what is r? R is equal to 3.
3.
3 square is 9. Then this is equal to h plus r cos theta. 3 plus 3 cos theta. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 3 plus 3 by root 2. And y is equal to k plus 0 plus r3 sin theta by root 2. So the point of contact is 3 plus 3 by root 2 comma 3 by root
3
2.
by root 2. Okay,
Answer.
sir.
Yeah, that is the answer. Okay, that only we have there, right? So
Yes, sir.